Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling essentials: official ID, student number, and any original transcripts. Scan them as PDF files. Once ready, find the correct Form TU version and checklist. This prevents later rework. Make sure you know the deadline and any fee codes. Next, sign into the institution portal with two-factor authentication. Open the TU form and save a draft locally. This first step secures your place in the process and reduces risk of losing typed entries if the session times out. Now you fill the course sections carefully. Type your name, date of birth, and student ID to match official records. Small differences cause delays. Then add each course with its code, term in YI format, credits, and final grade. Use the institution grade scale so the form maps correctly. Attach required documents. Scan transcripts, signature pages, and payment receipts. Name files clearly like Transcript 2024 PDF so reviewers identify them quickly. Once done, move to optional notes only if they affect evaluation. Finish by reviewing every field, reading labels, and running the form's validation tool. Preview the completed TU form to catch formatting or missing attachments. When you submit, follow the stated method: online submit or print and mail. Save the confirmation number and payment receipt immediately. If the system flags an error, don't panic. Contact the registrar or registry, reference your form ID, and send one clear screenshot of the issue. This troubleshooting approach speeds resolution and prevents repeated submissions or lost processing time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.